North Dakota first. KX News at 10 starts now.
Good evening. I'm Renee Cooper. Thanks for watching KX News. Leading our coverage tonight, recent studies have shown North Dakota's coronavirus spread to be among the worst in the nation. The Midwest is the latest region to be ravaged by COVID-19, and some are calling for Governor Burgum to do more. Reporter Maddie Biertemple has the story.
North Dakota currently ranks second to worst in the country for coronavirus cases per capita, according to a Harvard study.
We need to start climbing in the rankings. We can't be the worst. It's embarrassing.
Former state public health officer Dr. Stephen McDonough says if government mismanagement continues, more people will die a preventable death.
This false sense of security. We've been in this fantasy fairy tale that we're green low risk, and now we're the worst state in the country.
North Dakota saw a record number of active coronavirus cases today at 2,481, and the Harvard Global Health Institute lists it as just one of 4 states at risk level red, recommending stay-at-home orders. Yet the state government website says North Dakota is in the green.
Oh, we're way beyond yellow. Yeah, that would be better than goofy green, because we are not green and have not been.
McDonough has 40 years of medical experience in the state, including 15 at the health department. He's calling for a reassessment of risk and a statewide mask mandate.
I hope the governor on Wednesday at his news conference will show the courage to have a mask mandate, because that's what we need right now.
Here at the Horizon Clinic, Dr. McDonough says more than 200 lives could be saved over the next 3 months by wearing a mask. The University of Washington projects 491 North Dakotans will die from COVID-19 by December 1st without a universal mask mandate, but 240 will with it.
Mask Up North Dakota is not adequate enough. It's a start, but they need to be doing way more, and they need to get a mask mandate.
McDonough points to Republican states with mask mandates like Ohio, where its case count has been cut 31%. But some North Dakotans say they wouldn't comply.
I refuse to wear a mask. I will not wear a mask. If I have to order everything online and not do any business with stores and businesses in my hometown, which I don't believe in, I will do, because I do not believe that we should be mandated to wear masks.
Others say a mandate would be a welcome change.
I have no problem with the mandate at all. So, I mean, COVID is rising all the time. We got to do something.
As of today, 142 people have died in North Dakota from coronavirus. Reporting in Bismarck for KX News, Maddie Biertemple.
To find out where your county ranks on the Harvard map, head to our website, kxnet.com.